Hey guys, so today we're talking about what are the top credit card sign-up bonuses of 2019. This is actually a commenter's question that you guys put down below, and I wanted to create a video to answer it. If you have your own question you'd love for me to answer, put it down in the comments below, or once you get to the end of the video, if you have another question, drop it down there, and I'd love to answer your question in the comments and then create a video for you. And keep watching all the way to the end of the video, because I'm going to share with you a sign-up bonus that's 80,000 points with only a $95 annual fee. Hey guys, my name is Andrew Wise with Life Tailored. On this channel, we teach you how to travel the world for free with credit card points. I have over 2.4 million airline miles in my account. I've traveled to over 39 different destinations with my wife, all using points and miles. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an amazing offer. And follow us on Instagram at Life Tailored to see how far points can take you. So to kick things off, we're talking about the Chase Sapphire Preferred. I recently just did a review on that one. You can check it out up here. And this sign-up bonus is one of the lowest of the top. So this is the worst of the best. So it's 60,000 points after you spend about $3,000 in spend. And the Chase Sapphire Preferred itself earns 2x points on travel and dining, has just a $95 annual fee. This is a card I think most people should have if you already have a Chase Freedom card or a Chase Freedom Unlimited. If you don't yet have this card, this is the highest sign-up bonus I've seen for this card in a long while. It's an even higher sign-up bonus than the Chase Sapphire Reserve, which is currently 50,000 points. Next up on the list is the Amex Personal Platinum card. It's got a 60,000 point sign-up bonus. This is a card I haven't talked a lot about, but it earns 5x points when you book it on Amex Travel. It gives you access to Centurion lounges, which are frankly an amazing experience. We go to the one at LaGuardia all the time. You get a free buffet, wine, cheese, Bloody Marys, champagne, anything you need to kick off your flight on the right note. And they have these all over. They have one in Miami, Vegas, San Francisco. I think Dallas is opening. But these are an amazing experience. It's well worth the cost, but it is expensive. The Amex Platinum Personal has an annual fee of $550, but they do cut that down because they give you $15 a month in Uber credit and then $20 a month in the final month of December, which is about $200 in Uber credit value. You also get a $200 airline credit. So if you apply to Delta, United, etc., you can use that for checked bag fees and possibly seat upgrades, but it's definitely checked bag fees. And then finally, along with the Uber credit, you do get Uber VIP, which upgrades you for free rides and better drivers, cancellation fees, all that sort of stuff. But for just 60,000 bonus points and a $550 annual fee, I would only suggest getting this card if you're going to max out those $400 in credits on the Uber and the airline credit, which will bring down your annual fee to $150. Then this card is a great value for you. So next up on the list is the Citi Premier card. This is another 60,000 point sign-up bonus. This is another card I haven't talked much about, and I actually don't have a current Citi card. Citi has another great airline transfer partner program, and since right now I only have Amex and Chase, I'm looking to get into the Citi family. I was going to get the Citi Premier card, which earns 5x points on travel and dining, but that card just lost baggage protection and flight delay insurance, so I'm not so keen on it. But if you are looking for another Citi card or you're not yet in the Citi family, this Citi Premier card is pretty spectacular. Just a quick correction, when I said the Citi Prestige is the card that earns 5x on travel and dining, not the Citi Premier. We're talking about the Citi Premier right here, and this card earns 3x on travel and gas, and 2x on restaurants and entertainment. Entertainment qualifies as like iTunes purchases, renting a movie from like Verizon Fios, as well as Netflix, Hulu, any sort of thing like that. And of course, any bar, restaurant, cafe, all that sort of dining experience. Finally, the Citi Premier card has that same $95 annual fee, which matches up the same as the Chase Sapphire Preferred. So if you already have the Chase Sapphire Preferred, the Citi Premier card might be a next step for you. It gets 60,000 points and just a $95 annual fee. So now moving up to a 75,000 sign-up bonus, we've got the Amex Platinum Business Card. This is a card I have in my wallet, and I have it because I earned 5x points on flights on Amex Travel, and I also earned 1.5x points on any purchase over $5,000. This is awesome for my business because I often have invoices I roll up together and pay them all at once, and they're over $5,000. And this is the only card that's easy to rack up 1.5x points on this. The Chase Business Cash Card also earns 1x points, but I don't have the unlimited spending power of Amex. I have a credit limit on that Chase card of maybe $8,000, whereas the Amex Platinum, I sometimes run up bills of $100,000 or more. The Amex Platinum does have a massive annual fee of $595, but it comes with Centurion access and gives me access to WeWork Global Platinum Access. I actually have 2 WeWorks within walking distance of my house here in Williamsburg, and it's an amazing resource for me. I can go in, grab a desk, set up a meeting, just pop in, do whatever I need using this WeWork status. The WeWork bill is normally, I think, $600 a month, but it's completely free with this Amex Platinum business card. So if you currently use WeWork and are looking for a way to cut down on that bill, this Amex Platinum business card might be an excellent option for you. But otherwise, if you're not spending a ton of money on WeWork or on giant invoices, the Amex Platinum Personal is a much better choice for you. Now finally, we've got the massive $80K sign-up bonus. This card is the Chase Inc. business card. This card only has a $95 annual fee. It's simply one of the best cards out there right now. If you do not have this card and you have a Chase Sapphire Preferred or a Chase Sapphire Reserve, you need to get this Chase Inc. business card. It earns 3x points on travel, shipping, internet, and cable bills. So even if you don't have a business, this can pay off your Fios TV or your internet bill, and you earn 3x points on this, as well as your cell phone bills. So this card really is the perfect niche for any other card you have. Chase Sapphire Preferred is not going to get you 3x points on paying your cell phone bill, neither will the Chase Sapphire Reserve. That's where this Chase Inc. business card really comes in. It also earns 3x points on online advertising spend. I spend a ton of money on AdWords and on Facebook, and getting 3x points on those spend is huge. It's what's really allowed me to get those 2.4 million miles I have in my account right now. Now, if you guys want to get any of these cards, I would really appreciate it if you use the link down below. It'll support the channel, help me create more videos, help me answer more of your questions. And if you guys have come up with any new questions, let me know down below. And finally, from the list of these cards, which card do you think you're going to pick up next? Are you going to grab that Chase Inc. business card with the $80K, or maybe the City Premier card for the $60K and the $95 annual fee? Let me know down below. I reply to every single comment, and I can't wait to interact with you guys and hear what you have to say. So now that you're in the mood for signing up for new credit cards and learning about what are the best credit cards, check out my playlist over here. I review pretty much every card we talked about in this video and have tons of other life hacks that I know are going to help you travel the world for free. And make sure to watch this coming Monday and subscribe to the channel, because I've got another amazing life hack I can't wait to share with you. And finally, follow us on Instagram @LifeTailored to see how far points and miles can take you. Alright guys, I'll see you this coming Monday.